What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new junior exploration company to the channel, and that company is called Wedgemount Resources. Now, Wedgemount Resources, as I said, is a junior exploration company focused on copper and gold in a very prolific mining jurisdiction in British Columbia. So, a safe mining jurisdiction. Also, on top of that, they have a very tightly held share structure along with a very experienced management team. So I'm excited to bring you guys this company. We're simply going to introduce them, talk a little bit about their projects, the stock, go over their website for more information, and open the door for questions. So feel free to drop those questions or comments down below, along with hitting that like button if you support me, the channel, and all the videos, and kindly hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Now, we will have a couple videos coming out about Wedgemount. We'll be dropping an interview with their CEO, and then many more updates to come. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know, of course, in the comments, like I said, and last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading the disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I bring you Wedgemount Resources, and the first thing we're going to do is head on over to their website, and that is wedgemountresources.com, exploring British Columbia's prolific copper belt. So copper, the backbone of the world's green energy transition. And as we know right now, it seems to be that we're in a commodity bull cycle, copper being a very, very important commodity when it comes to infrastructure, many uses, and the price of copper has dramatically increased, especially this year. So Wedgemount Resources, trading on the CSE under ticker symbol WDGY, is a junior mineral exploration company focused on maximizing shareholder value through the acquisition, discovery, and advancement of high-quality precious and base metal projects in North America. So 75 plus years of mineral exploration experience. We are going to go over their investor presentation, but first, I simply wanted to highlight their copper and gold project portfolio in British Columbia. Wedgemount's portfolio of exploration stage copper and gold assets are located in proven metallogenic belts in BC with significant production: High Valley Copper Mountain, Mount Polley, New Afron, Chemist South. Geographical focus on assets located in politically stable, infrastructure-rich jurisdictions in the immediate vicinity of existing production or development. So as we know, that's very important, and there is quite a strong presence of big companies in the area. So that does give us a little bit more reassurance, as opposed to them being the only company for thousands of miles. That's not the case for their projects, and we'll go more in depth just later on, but I did want to simply pull up the stock. So Wedgemount Resources Corp, WDGY on the CSE, and as we can see here, guys, 52-week range of 25 cents to 79 cents, currently trading around 62, has pulled back a little bit from those 52-week highs, but hopefully we can find some support around 60, and this might be an interesting time to take a look at the stock. So let's go into their investor presentation. I'm going to break it down, go over the key points, and we will be, like I said, dropping that interview with their CEO and founder, and he'll go much more into depth and tell us all about the technical aspects. So exploring BC's prolific copper belt, and this is as of June 2021. So Wedgemount Resources is a junior mineral exploration company focused on maximizing shareholder value through the acquisition, discovery, and advancement of high quality copper gold projects in North America. Key to this corporate objective is to assemble a portfolio of high quality exploration targets in order to both de-risk the company and create as much optionality as possible. Strategy is to acquire underexplored and undervalued copper and precious metal projects with significant geological potential. Led by a management and technical team with 75 plus years of experience in mineral exploration and capital markets development. So, copper and gold project portfolio in British Columbia. Wedgemount's portfolio of early stage copper and gold assets are located in proven. So we did go over this a little bit on the home page of their website, but to further add, Wedgemount is committed to establishing strong and mutual beneficial relationships with BC First Nations and all local stakeholders in immediate vicinity of our projects. So we will be dropping an interview with Mark Vannery, who is the CEO and director, also the founder. Mark Vannery has over 20 years of international capital markets and resource company experience at firms including Raymond James, Canaccord Genuity, and Scotiabank International. Mr. Vannery has worked in Europe, Latin America, and Canada, personally raising over $2 billion for resource companies. Served on multiple TSX venture company boards, and is currently a partner at Vannery Capital Partners in Vancouver. Mr. Vannery holds a BA from the University of British Columbia and an MBA from the Richard Ivey School of Business. Further look into the technical team. This should be part of your own personal research and due diligence, but as we can see here, many years of experience with over 75 years of experience combined in mining and capital markets. Very tightly held share structure, and we'll also go over that in the interview. Market cap of BC copper and gold exploration companies. So here we have Wedgemount, valuation of around 15 million. We can see they are very low there on the scale, so valuation-wise compared to the peers. Their Eagle Copper and Gold project, 2,530 hectare year-round road-accessible porphyry copper and gold project in British Columbia, option to earn up to 80%. During our interview, we will go more in depth in terms of their Eagle project with Mark. Cookie Copper and Gold, over 20,000 hectares copper and gold porphyry project located in north-central BC, 40 kilometers south of the past-producing Chemist Copper and Gold mine and 200 kilometers north of Smithers, BC. We will go more in depth with Mark on their Cookie project as well, and their Friendly Copper and Gold project, 70 mineral claims totaling 13,950 hectares with copper and gold porphyry, orogenic and scar mineralization. You can find all the technical reports and diagrams on their investor presentation, but I'm not going to attempt to explain this. I would rather have Mark explain this for you guys in this coming interview and future interviews. So 2021 exploration, systematic exploration across the project portfolio will kick off June 2021. So this month, focus will be to determine, rank, and prioritize drill targets, continue to generate and evaluate new opportunities to add to the project pipeline. So as we can see here, guys, June, Eagle, July, Eagle and Cookie, and into August, and then Friendly Lake and Deer Lake, August, September, October, November, and September and October, more work on Eagle. So they should have quite the news flow coming up. It should be pretty exciting. There's the location of all of their projects. And that's it for the introduction, guys. So I look forward to, like I said, dropping the interview with Mark and providing you guys with more updates. As we know right now, it's a very interesting time to be taking a look at the commodity sector, copper, gold, base metals, and precious metals. That's my two areas of focus. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the company. And last but not least, for full disclosure details, once again, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I'm out of here. Always remember, Departures Capital and Departures Stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.